but read the HMP, read what happened, read what's the story, how the story begins. You know how you build up, because especially in inpatient, it is just a complete story of the care that the patient received while in the facility. Also, review the discharge summary, scan some of the progress notes. You want to make sure things are ticking in time. You want to make sure that you can follow the progression of what actually happened. And then if there are consultations, if other providers are looking at this patient, you want to make sure you look at those consultation reports as well. Because again, you may find some telling tales in those additional eyes that are on this particular patient. So look at those as well. So again, spend that extra 5-10 minutes upfront to save you hours of rework later. So that's one of the things. Another thing is you can kind of look at your clinical validation. So this is where you put on your detective hat, if you will, and you're looking for clinical indicators, you're looking for lab values, you're looking for diagnostic tests and treatment plans. So you're looking for the stuff to support what may or may not be documented for that particular patient. So and let me give you an example. So say you have a person who coded malnutrition because it was documented, and they saw it and they said, okay, well, it's here, let me do my job and code what I see. But you look deeper. There wasn't a dietitian consult. There was normal abdomen. There was no weight loss. There was no intervention. There wasn't anything. So you see where that may be a problem, because there really wasn't anything to support that. There wasn't any clinical documentation to support the code of malnutrition. And so this is where, again, putting on that detective hat will help you kind of think through, okay, well, what is this right? Maybe I need to talk to somebody. Maybe I need to query someone to get some additional information about why the need for the diagnosis of malnutrition.